So now we will see how to print unordered list using nested loop. So how we write unordered list? So unordered list is written something like this. We write UL tag, and within UL tag we write mini LI tag. Okay. So LI tags are like this. This is item. Okay, this is second item, this third item, fourth item, and so on. So this is a kind of list, unordered list. And this particular LI you can generate using loop. Okay. So suppose I want to print 10 list item. I want to print 10 list item. What do you have to do? You have to simply write here for $I is equals to 1 semicolon $I less than equals to 10 semicolon $I plus plus. Okay, and this you have to place here. Okay, and this code you have to write in PHP tag. Okay, so after execution of this page 19, you will get one unordered list with 10 list item. Okay, so you'll see this. Now you can also create nested unordered list. What is nested unordered list? It is something like that. UL, okay, there is unordered list, and in UL there is LI, and in this LI again there is a UL, and again there are L. Okay, this is what nested unordered list. So this is first unordered list. Inside first unordered list, inside first list item there is another unordered list. Second list item there is another unordered list, and so on. First of all, we will see how to create nested unordered list without for, and then you will come to know how to write nested for to construct it. So without for देखो कैसे construct करना है. This is our unordered list. This is our list item, and list item is say item. Okay. Now here what we have to do? We have to take one more unordered list. इसको मैं यहाँ पर title दे देता हूँ. This is what item, and इसके अंदर जो हम लोग सेकेंड अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट ले रहे हैं इसको मैं टाइटल दे देता हूँ सब आइटम. ओके, दिस इज आइटम, दिस इज सब आइटम. ओके, सो दिस पर्टिकुलर LI, okay, if you just write it in single line, you'll come to know that. So this is unordered list, and this unordered list consists LI. Okay, the opening and closing LI. And this LI consists again one unordered list with multiple LI. Okay, so suppose it has 3 sub items. So I will write it like this. Okay, 3 sub items. Now again copy this and paste here. And suppose it has 2 sub items. So remove one. And again one more LI, and it has 3 sub items. Okay, sub items are different for different LI, so it will look like this. Okay, so this is first LI. First LI consists one unordered list with 3 sub items. This is second LI. It consists one unordered list with 2 items, and this is third LI, which consists 3 items, right? And if you want to print something like that using nested for, so here we have to, when we write nested for static example, number of sub items we have to keep common, right? And how can you do this? So to print these LI, right? 1, 2, 3. You have to take one for loop. So I'll write here for $I is equals to say 1 semicolon $I less than equals to say 5 semicolon and $I plus plus. And you have to close it here and you have to delete these two. Okay, because we are printing it using for loop. So 5 times these li are going to print. Now again here you see the unordered list. Okay, and this unordered list is printing some sub items, and to print these sub items again I will take one more for loop. Okay, so this is unordered list. Okay, this unordered list is closing here, and this unordered list is printing these 3 sub items, and I want to print sub items using for loop. So what I will do here again, for $j equals to 1 semicolon, I want 3 sub item inside every item, $j less than equals to 3 semicolon $j plus plus. Okay. Control X and just close it here. And these two you have to delete. Okay. Save it and separate HTML and PHP. So this is PHP, closing. Now this is also PHP. Okay, closing. This closing is also PHP. Okay, and this closing curly bracket is also PHP. Okay, save it and refresh the page and you'll see the output, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sub items and 5 items, and inside every item there are 3 sub items, and these we have printed using